This is my mailbox lock kit now. A couple leashes, a couple locks, a couple keys, and all right, we gotta remember everything is 1. So if 0 is a 1, then 3 is gonna be a 2. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Gotta remember that because that. I have to remember that the numbers are different than. So if I read 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, then I gotta do 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. That's a little bit annoying, but what do you do? All right, let's cut this key. I'm pretty sure that, I mean, I guess I could do that last one as a, I could do this one as a 1 also. Pretty sure it's right. Okay, so I couldn't really tell. But I should have cut it shallower. I'm cutting it deeper. Oh well, see if it works. There we go, voila. Just cut her spare. Here she comes. Huh? What's that?
What was that, bro?
I said, you guys took me literally when I said I'll be done in 5 minutes.
Yeah, for sure.
There you go, it's all done.
Yeah, bro. Both of these?
Yeah, try them out.
Cool.
Cool?
Appreciate it.
There you go.